Hey everybody, here are all the ingredients that I used for my shrimp and wild rice stuffed turkey legs. Make sure you take a quick look at the ingredients and check the description box below. So let's get this ball rolling now. We're going to start out with putting slits into our turkey legs at the fat part of the legs. You want to make sure you get them slit through the bone so all the juices will flow through. And once you've done that, then you're going to take you some heavy duty aluminum foil and you're going to wrap each one in that foil. Heavy duty is much better. You take your pads of butter. You probably need 4 to 5 pads of butter for each turkey leg, depending on how long or large your turkey leg is. But I've only used like 4 to 5 because I'm going from the top of the leg to the bottom of the bone. I want to make sure it's saturated good with juices, and I'm adding in my seasonings. You can check the description box below for that as well. As you can see, I just sprinkling. I don't have any measurements. And I'm also adding liquid smoke. I wanted liquid smoke because I wanted that extra smoke flavor to make sure it tastes like it was coming off of a smoker. Then you wrap them up securely, making sure that they're wrapped real tight. And you're going to do this for all the legs that you have. If you have 3, if you have 6, if you have 10, however many you have, you're going to just repeat the process. Then you put it in the oven. It's preheated at 350. And while they're preheating, I've diced up all of my veggies, and I'm seasoning my shrimp with Tony Chacere's onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and all of that will be in the description box below. So honeys, babies, please check it out. Now we're going to take 2 pads of butter and put it in a hot skillet, and we're going to add maybe about a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use olive oil, canola oil, whatever type of oil you have, you can use that. And if you don't want to use oil, you can just use butter. And we're going to get that ready for our shrimp. Start placing your seasoned shrimp in the hot skillet with the butter and oil, and you're just going to cook that until they're no longer translucent. They're going to be like a pinkish white orange color, if that makes sense. But that's how you know they're ready. Don't cook them too long because they'll be tough. So make sure you don't cook them too long. As soon as they start turning up, light white or pinkish color, they're ready. So just go ahead and continue to cook those. And I add some paprika for color. Of course, you know we always need to have some color on our food. You just flip your shrimp over. All right, once your shrimp are done, you're just going to remove them from the skillet, like so. And then you're going to place them aside, and then you go ahead and add your diced veggies into the skillet that you cooked your shrimp, because the juices from the shrimp and the butter and the oil is going to give those veggies such a good flavor. So you just cook those until they're tender. Now go ahead and add in your seasonings. Again, check the description box below for the measurements. Of course, I just sprinkle, but I'm going to try and measure out as much as I can. As you can see, I used onion powder, garlic powder, Tony Chacere's, everything that's listed in the description box and the intro of the video. The seasonings are used in these veggies. So go ahead and cook these veggies until they are nice and tender. Not soggy and too soft, but just tender. Once they're done, you're just going to and now add in your heavy whipping cream. And I used a whole 16 ounces of whipping cream. That's 2 cups of whipping cream, the heavy whipping cream I used. So you just mix that in well, and then you're going to allow it to set and cook, and add, of course, we've got to add in some paprika all the way, all the time. Don't forget the paprika. You got to have the paprika. Don't forget it. Got to have it, baby. You got to. Because it brings what? Color to your dish. And as you can see now, I'm adding black pepper. And all of these seasonings, again, are listed in the description box below. Please, man, woman, boy, girl, please check the description box below. Okay? I'm telling y'all, this is going to be so lip smacking, toe tapping good. You're going to be saying, dang, I need to make this again. Shoot. Now my sauce is thickening up, as you can see. Thickening up real well. And now I'm putting in complete seasoning from Badia. And y'all don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now it's time to cook our wild rice, and I have just followed the instructions on the box for the wild rice. So that's really simple to do. You just follow the instructions and do as it says. Now my meat is done, and you see how tender that meat is. It's so juicy. It is so juicy. It's just falling off the bone. You see that? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Look real good, because it's falling off the bone. Now you just want to add in your rice. And you can add as much or as little as you want. And then you go ahead and spread that shrimp sauce over it. And then add you some shrimp on top of there. Like that. Like that. Because it's what? Lip smacking, toe tapping good, y'all. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell, please. Love y'all so much. Bye.